Hello everyone. So in this video I'll show you how to create a partition in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to create a partition in your Windows, follow these steps to do it. So first open File Explorer, then go to this PC. As you can see, I only have one partition. I only have one drive, only C drive. So now from here, press Windows key plus R key together. And now you have to type diskmgmt.msc. So you have to type diskmgmt.msc and click on OK. I'll provide this in the description. Click on OK. And from here, a new tab will open, Disk Management. So it will take some time to open. So after your Disk Management tab is open, as you can see, you can find this drive C, Restore, Healthy Recovery. So you have to click on this C drive, right click, and from here you'll find an option Shrink Volume. Click on Shrink Volume. Now it is querying shrink space. It will take some time. It will take a time to 2 to 3 minutes. Wait. And after that, you'll see this tab. So after this tab is open, it will ask you to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So basically, I want to create a 5 GB partition. So I'll basically multiply 1024 and I'll type this number here. I'll type this here. And after typing this here, I'll click on shrink. It will take some time. Now after this this is completed, you'll see this option unallocated. So basically what we have to do, we have to format this. To do this, right click on it and click on new simple volume, click on next and click on next. Now from here you can assign the letter. For example, I want to assign it as M. I can assign it M. Now click on next. Now you have to select NTFS. Make sure you select NTFS. And after selecting NTFS, just click on next. Click on finish. It will take some time based on your hard drive or SSD. Now this is completed. Simply exit and open your file explorer. Go to this PC and your new partition is created. So that's it. That's how you'll create a partition in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.